LG Velvet 5G UW measures 167.2 x 74.1 x 7.9 mm. The phone comes with a 6.8-inch PLD capacitive touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 x 2460 pixels with 395 ppi pixel density. LG Velvet 5G UW is powered by an octa-core processor that features one 2.4 GHz Creo 475 Prime and one 2.2 GHz Creo 475 Gold and 6 1.8 GHz Creo 475 Silver processor. It runs on the Qualcomm SDM765 Snapdragon 765 G7nm chipset, which is coupled with Adreno 620 GPU and 6GB RAM. LG Velvet 5G UW runs LG UX9 based on Android 10 and packs 128GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded via microSD card. This device sports a triple camera setup. The rear camera of the device packs a 48-megapixel main sensor, 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens and 5-megapixel depth sensor. The rear camera features LED flash, panorama and HDR. The company claims that rear camera is capable of recording 4K video. It sports a 16-megapixel camera on the front for selfies, with an HDR feature. It is available in a red color. It is powered by a non-removable LiPo 4300 mAh battery with fast charging 25W fast wireless charging 9W quick charge 4.0 plus USB power delivery 3.0. Connectivity options on the LG Velvet 5G UW include Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, GPS, Bluetooth V5.00 and USB Type-C. Sensors on the phone include fingerprint under display, optical, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass and barometer.